Hello there, folks. This is our first video on Scratch, and so we're gonna get Scratch going and do our very first Scratch program. So, first thing is to open Scratch up, and hopefully you've made a shortcut to Scratch, but that'll be on your home directory probably, or wherever you're keeping your files, a USB. Mine's an ICS2O right there. There's my Scratch shortcut, and there are all my folders that I made. So I'm going to double click on that. Scratch looks like this here. Um, and there's a bunch of different stuff on this, and this will take you a long time to sort of get comfortable in this, but don't worry about that now. Just sort of have fun and an experiment. Um, this is essentially the output of your program. Over here on the right is what happens when you run your program. Well, where's your program? It looks like it's over here, but these are actually all the commands. This is your program here in the middle, okay? And there's nothing there. So how is there's the scratch cat sitting there? Well, these are the players in your program called sprites, and in the next couple of weeks we're going to get used to these sprites and this sort of thing, but we're just going to get started right now. The first program that we ever write on any programming language is what's called the Hello World program. So usually in programming languages it just prints out hello world to the screen. So we want the scratch cat to say hello world. So what do we want to get the scratch cat to do? We want them to say something. So let's see, we don't want emotion. Let's see, looks, no, oh, there we go, say hello. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to say, and I just double click in there, and I'm going to say hello world. And for 2 seconds, let's go for 3 seconds. Why not? Not 23 seconds. That makes for a long program, but 3 seconds just so I can change that. And I'm just clicking in there and then changing it with the keyboard. And to run the program, I can just double click on that, and you see there it is, Scratch Cat saying hello world, and that's it, your very first program. And I'm going to save it. Now, we're going to add to it, of course, but I'm going to save it as, and then it asks for Scratch projects. I'm actually going to put this in a certain spot. Right, so I'm going to go to my document H, and then into ICS2O, Unit 1 Scratch, and this is where I want to save it. New file name. I'm going to call it Hello World. Bam, there's my hello world. And now, pretty boring uh, little program, but um, maybe we can get it to do something. And this is going to be what today's class is all about, is you goofing around with this program and see what you can get it to do. All of these things are different commands where this is my program. So maybe we want it to do something. Maybe we want it to move a little bit. Maybe it's going to move 10 steps. Let's make this just for funsies. We're going to make this 30 steps, and then it's going to say hello world for 3 seconds, and then move another 20 steps. And these are the commands in our program. So it's going to do this, and then that, and then that. And you see, it's the scratch cat moves so quick it was hard to see, but I can replace the scratch cat wherever I would like, and I'm going to run the program again. I just double clicked on that, and there it moved again, just a very little bit. What's another neat thing is on the control structure, I can actually get it to start and end instead of when I click on this. Notice this is all snapped together. This is my whole program snapped together, and then it's going to start. This means start when the green flag is clicked, and the red flag is to stop it. Green flag is to start. So I'm going to remove, put the scratch cat back in position and press, and then when it unhighlights, the program's done. And now you can play around. For instance, does it matter the order that I put these things in? Can I reattach these and put them in a different order, would that do something else? Or can I make it do something else? Or can I make it make a sound? Or what does the pen do? And today's little lesson is all about experimenting. So have fun with your very first efforts in Scratch. If you get bored playing around with your Hello World program, there's probably the next little bit of business that you can take care of that'll be posted on the calendar.